the logic of psychiatry and pharmacotherapy that's being applied because a lot of the research is happening in a drug development paradigm where that logic is um, preeminent. And I wrote down a quote from, there was this pretty famous debate between Guy Goodwin and Max Wolff. And Guy Goodwin, who's more on the side of this kind of psychiatric logic, he said something that I thought was really interesting and revealing. This is his quote here. He said, "The risk that we run if we interpret the very spectacular things that people tell us about their experience as the causal mechanisms for their recovery is that we're not respecting the fact that there's a brain involved as well as a reporting mind. And reporting minds, particularly smart ones, have very developed mechanisms for fooling themselves." So there's this idea that what somebody says about their experience is some kind of smokescreen. And the real thing that's happening is what's happening in the brain, some kind of neuroplasticity or something like that, which is an epistemic position to take on human experience that I think is really, it's not the only default we could have. And it's a little strange, in my opinion.